All right, hi everybody, we're working through rationals. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a look at the graph here and we're going to come up with the equation in the form y equals a over x minus h plus k. Now thinking back to some of the work that we've done, when you look at the equation in this form here, and I'll just zoom in on this so that we're really clear on it. When you see the equation in this form, the minus h here, the h, okay, because this function here is going to be undefined at h, x equals h, that's my vertical asymptote. The k here, okay, without the k, that function has a horizontal asymptote at 0, and it's going to be translated vertically by k. So the horizontal asymptote would be y equals k. The a here is really just responsible for a vertical stretch, which is hard to see without given points here. But I should be able to tell very quickly what h and k are just by looking at the graph. So now let's have a quick look here at the first question. Okay, so from this graph right here, I can see very quickly that I have got, now if I'm reading the scale right here, I have got a vertical asymptote here at x equals to 2, and I've got a horizontal asymptote here, if I'm reading that correctly, at y equals 3. Okay, which means my equation is going to be y equals a, I don't know what that stretch is, over x minus 2 plus 3. Now if I want to do better than that, what I need to do is pick one of the 2 points here that they're given, and you will be given points. Okay, the diploma writers are pretty good about that. They're going to give you a point, they're going to give you the coordinates here. So I choose the one with the smaller numbers because I'm lazy. So I see I've got the point here 1 comma 2. So I'm going to plug 2 in for y is going to equal a over 1 minus 2 plus 3. I'll bring the 3 over, which will get me negative 1 is going to equal a over, and then 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Bring that up and I get a equals 1. Which means, ultimately, that the equation for this thing, and if I can write it up here, the equation is going to be, for this first one, y equals 1 over x minus 2 plus 3.